Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best back-to-school lunch solution out there, the Jelife Bento Box Kids Lunchbox. Whether you're packing meals for your little one or looking for a reliable, leak-proof container, this bento box checks all the boxes for convenience, safety, and functionality. The Jelife Bento Box is designed with kids in mind, featuring a large 1,100 milliliters capacity that perfectly suits a child's appetite. Its standout feature is the 100% leak-proof compartments. Thanks to an upgraded silicone ring and specially designed sauce compartments, you can say goodbye to messy lunches and spills in the lunch bag. It keeps sauces and wet foods fresh and contained, making it a great choice for a variety of meals. Durability is another big plus here. The box is made from food-safe polypropylene, which means it's BPA-free, lead-free, non-toxic, and completely safe for kids to use every day. Plus, the anti-fall design means it can handle the bumps and drops that come with an active child's day. The sturdy yet lightweight material ensures it won't weigh down a backpack but will still hold up to everyday use. Opening and closing the box is effortless for small hands, thanks to the 4 kid-friendly latches that securely snap the lid in place without risking accidental spills or breakage. This means parents won't have to worry about latch failures or kids struggling to open their lunchboxes. Another convenience factor is the inclusion of reusable utensils, a spoon, fork, and knife, all housed neatly inside the box. This eliminates the need for disposable cutlery and makes lunchtime eco-friendly and practical. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, this bento box shines. It's fully dishwasher safe, and safe to use in microwaves and ovens as well, provided the lid is removed first. This versatility makes reheating leftovers or warming up fresh meals a breeze. The box features 4 well-sized compartments, ideal for portioning out a balanced meal with fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains without mixing flavors or textures. This encourages healthy eating habits by making it easy to pack a variety of foods in one container. Measuring about 8 by 6 by 3 inches and weighing just 14 ounces, it strikes a great balance between spacious and portable. It's also freezer safe, so parents can prepare meals ahead of time, storing them safely for later use. Overall, the Jelife Bento Box is a thoughtful and practical lunch container designed specifically for school kids aged 5 and up. Its leak-proof design, durable and safe materials, ease of use, and dishwasher and microwave compatibility make it a top contender for the best lunchbox on the market today. If you're looking for a lunchbox that combines safety, convenience, and kid-friendly design, the Jelife Bento Box might just be the perfect pick to make back-to-school lunches stress-free and mess-free. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.